Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your designs private in Ideogram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Ideogram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom you're gonna find options like Home, Images, Create, Notifications and Menu. Tap on Menu. Now under Menu find your way to View Profile option. Once you tap on View Profile, you can see options like Pinned, All and Liked halfway through your screen. From there, go ahead and select the design that you want to make private. Once you tap on the design, right below your username, you're gonna find two options there, public and private. Just go ahead and tap on private. Later design will be private on Ideogram. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.